Alright guys, welcome back to Bromley Farms. Today I am working on a T650 Bobcat skid steer. It will start, but it will not run. It'll run for about 10 seconds and it'll die. We think it's fuel system or it's a sensor. So right here I have a new fuel filter for it. So we're going to get this put on and hopefully it fixes it so we don't have to dig into sensors and everything. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this filter on. Let's get into it. All right, so first all you should need is your filter and a flathead screwdriver. So grab both of those at T650 Bobcat. So we'll come over here. So here's our old filter right here. You're going to want to take this off, and you're going to want whenever you get this off, you unplug this, and then you pull it out and unscrew that. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll get back. All right, guys, I got it off. It was pretty simple. It took me about 30 seconds. But first, I unplugged this cord right here. I unplugged this, then I took the clamp off, and the clamp just slides over this right here, and then you can pull this whole thing out, and then you can unscrew this to it, and then it comes right off. So right now we'll just make sure they look about the same. Looks like they are, but we'll take this off, put it on the new one, and then the new one will just go right back in there like that. I'm gonna get this in, and I'll be right back. All right, so it took about 30 more seconds to get it back on, but I plugged this back into the bottom. I slid the clamp back over its mount back there, tightened it down, put the top on, screwed it on, make sure it was tight so it won't leak. Then you take this right here and you squeeze it, and you fill the filter up with fuel, so it'll not have so much air, and then you'll go and start it. But we gotta keep on squeezing this, get some fuel in there. But we squeezed that enough. Now we'll try to start it. It'll probably die a couple times when I start it because it's gonna have air in it. But do the password. Glow plug cycle that says wait. No, it'll say numbers. It'll say something. Yeah. All right, so we're ready to start. Let's see what code it's throwing us. It's telling us the battery voltage is too low. So, try it again. Let the glow plug cycle. Whoops. 1, 2. All right, try it again. Wait for the glow plug to say ready. Ready. All right, so it has air in the line, so we need to go and squeeze this some more times. I'm gonna squeeze this a couple more times, make sure it gets hard so it'll start, and I will get back. Okay, I pumped it a couple more times. Let's see if it'll fire this time. Enter. It says wait. Ready? Probably have to go get jumper cables, so it does not want to start. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna go grab some jumper cables. Alright guys, it started with no jumpers. So, I mean, that's all I had to do. I had to put a new filter on it. It was giving me a code for rail pressure sensor fault. So my dad went and bought a new filter. It was like, this might be what's wrong. So we put that I just put it in. All you need is a screwdriver and your filter, and it has seemed to fix it. So, yep. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Well, guys, forget I ever said that was the end of the video. I decided like I was going to add on to it. So this one track on the skid steer is really loose. So I was like, might as well just film it, put it on YouTube. So that's what we're gonna do. So if you guys can't tell, that track's not supposed to be that loose. So we gotta get to that plate right there, but we gotta clean all that out first. But I think this track's good. Yeah, this track, it moves a little bit, but it's a lot better than the other. So I'm going to clean this track out. Alright, got all my tools, grease gun, extra grease tube. It is a size 13. Very important that you do not strip these out. Make sure you got a wrench that fits nice and tight. Because stripping these out would just not be good at all. Then you want to be able to get to your grease sockets. So just unscrew those. Make sure I got it all cleaned up. Make sure you don't get no dirt in there. But get that out. Put that right there. We won't lose it. Get down on here. On this one. There's a whole bunch of, actually, this will move, so like that. And we're got in there. All right, I'm gonna clean that out and find the grease fitting, and I'm gonna get the grease gun on it. Okay, guys, I got it on the grease fitting. Now we just pump it. Going up very slowly. And what we're gonna do is just get it right off that bar. Like that. Feel that one. Go over here and feel this one. Feel about the same. And then, let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty straight motor, just a little tiny bit of a sag, but that's fine. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this put back together, and I'm gonna start getting logs and cutting firewood up. Thanks for watching. This actually should be my last video for this skid steer. So I will see you guys on the next one. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.